First thing you want to do is start off with your ponytail at the crown. Start at the top of the head with the ponytail. We're going to grab the ponytail itself and we're going to do a twist just like this. Once we do that, we're going to take the hair, wrap it around just like so, and we're creating a loop right here in the middle, and you'll understand in a minute. So bring it around, just hold it down like that. I'm going to turn her head around. I'm holding the end, and what I'm going to do is take the end of this hair here and pull it through just like so. Now I'm not going to pull it all the way. I'm just going to stop. Just go ahead and wrap that hair around